Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a custom email template using Stripo, and then how to import it into PSM or Pole Studio Manager. Let's get started. First, you need a Stripo account. If you don't have one yet, just search Stripo on Google and click the first result. Once you're on the website, click Get Started for free to create your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Stripo dashboard. On the left side, click on My Templates. Since your account is new, you won't have any templates yet. Below that, you'll see Basic and Pre-built templates. Click on Pre-built, then select Free templates. Now choose a design that best fits your Pole Studio's theme. Once you've picked a template, start customizing it. Change the texts, images, and especially the buttons or links. Make sure all links go to the correct pages, like your website or booking form. As you can see in this part of the video, Stripo makes editing super easy. Just click, type, and upload. If you're using the free version of Stripo, you only get 4 exports per month. So make sure your template is fully finished and reviewed before you export so you don't waste your limited exports. After you're done editing, click Export on the top right. A pop-up will appear. Click File, then choose HTML. Another window will show up. Click Show HTML Code, then copy the entire code. Now, go to your PSM dashboard. On the left side menu, click Messaging, then click Plus New Email. A window will pop up called New Message Template. In the subject line, write your email subject. For example, Upcoming Pole Class Reminder. Now click the icon. You'll see a black screen. This is where you'll paste the HTML code you copied from Stripo. Don't forget to tick Template at the bottom, and click Save Changes. After saving, you can preview your email inside PSM. To make sure it works, click the email icon to send a test email to yourself. You can also choose recipients and either send the message right away or schedule it for later. And that's it. You've just created a customized email template using Stripo and imported it to PSM. Perfect for announcements, class reminders, and promotions for your Pole Studio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.